Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting topic to share with you all. We all know that losing weight can sometimes feel like an uphill battle, but fear not. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 weight loss tips that always work. These tips are practical, effective, and can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. So if you're ready to shed those extra pounds and feel your best, keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, like, share this video, comment, and turn on the notification bell for daily healthy tips. Tip number 1. Mindful eating. One of the first tips that I swear by is mindful eating. This means paying attention to what and how we eat. Instead of mindlessly devouring our meals, let's take the time to savor each bite. By listening to our body's hunger and fullness cues, we can make better choices and avoid overeating. So let's put away our phones, turn off the TV, and truly enjoy our meals. Tip number 2. Stay active throughout the day. Next up, staying active throughout the day. It's not just about hitting the gym for an hour and calling it a day. We need to keep our bodies moving regularly. Take breaks from sitting, go for a walk during lunchtime, take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small changes can make a huge difference in our overall activity level. So let's get out there and stay active. Tip number 3. Hydration is key. Now let's talk about the importance of staying hydrated. Drinking enough water not only keeps us refreshed, but it can also aid in weight loss. When we're properly hydrated, we're less likely to mistake thirst for hunger. So grab that water bottle and make sure to sip on it throughout the day. Trust me, you'll see the difference. Tip number 4. Prep and plan. Preparation is the key to success when it comes to weight loss. Taking the time to plan our meals and snacks can help us make healthier choices. So let's set aside some time each week to meal prep. By having nutritious meals ready to go, we'll be less tempted to reach for unhealthy options. It's all about setting ourselves up for success. Tip number 5. Get enough sleep. Last but not least, let's discuss the importance of getting enough sleep. You might be wondering, how does sleep affect weight loss? Well, lack of sleep can disrupt our hormones, making it harder for us to control our cravings and regulate our metabolism. So let's prioritize our sleep and aim for those 7 to 8 hours a night. Your body will thank you.